Meaning of gerrymandering.
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 Gerrymandering. Gerrymandering refers to the manipulation of electoral district boundaries for political advantage. It involves redrawing boundaries in a way that creates an unfair advantage for one political party over another. The result of gerrymandering is often the creation of oddly shaped districts that are designed to include or exclude certain groups of voters based on their political affiliation or racial/ethnic background. This practice undermines democratic principles by limiting the ability of voters to choose their representatives and can lead to a lack of accountability among elected officials due to the lack of competitive elections.